Nah, if he a rat.
No rat.
Nah, I
Yeah,
don't f*** a rat.
You don't rat?
Nah, I don't f*** a rat. Yeah. End of discussion.
Man, that lady made me sad, bro. I ain't lying, dog. Them was real tears, man. Both of them, bro. Them was real tears, dog. Oh, this just start jumping now. They know I'm in the city. Oh, this like BR. Oh, this like that rack. Flip-flops, Daisy Dukes. What? Little Rock like BR. Flip-flop, Daisy Dukes with the hair bunted on. Yeah, I'm Little Rock. I'm with Little Rock. Oh, they ratchet out here. I'm Little Rock. Yeah, flip-flops with the bunnet on. With the ass cheeks hanging out. We in BR.
Black ass cheeks. I ain't gonna
Yeah, Jay. Yeah, Jay, we in BR. Oh, it's thug life out here. This my type of party. Oh, they thugging. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Oh, they thugging. Oh, they thugging. Ooh, nothing but ass cheeks out. Them 1 cents. Look at them 1 cents. That's Brookstown. Oh yeah, that's Brookstown. Guardian Lane. That's Guardian Lane. With them little thin socks, with them J's on. Oh yeah, that's Guardian Lane. Yeah, this my type of party. Oh, they gonna turn up tonight. I fuck with Little Rock. They gonna be ratchet, and I'm gonna be ratchet right with them. You call the right motherfucker. Little Rock, thug life out here. This is my type of party. You know what a book meant. This my type of party, baby. They pulling up. Oh, they pulling up. This bitch dumb. This bitch dumb. They got the kids pulling up now. Oh, this BR here. Oh, this BR. Oh, they pulling up fast, swinging. Oh, this that rack. Oh, this that rack. She swung that bitch in here.
with the body.
Everybody got bunnies on. Everybody got bunnies on. Everybody got bunnies on.
You can't shake a leg. I ain't do what I did.
Don't do us like that, Boosie. Tell them, Boosie, come on.
Boosie, don't do us like that.
I had to find that sign on that ass.
Okay.
Cause now I gotta tell my best friend, bitch.
Y'all coming out tonight?
No, for real.
Man, y'all gotta pull up tonight.
Coming tonight.
Y'all gotta fuck with me tonight.
Y'all should have came to the club tonight after y'all leave. Where you gonna be?
Where you dance?
Do.
Where you dance at?
We traveling. We do privates, but French Quarter and Centerfold.
French Quarter?
Yeah.
Baby.
But I'm gonna see y'all from the Centerfold. Do you hear me? What the hell? Look.
Oh, yes. Okay, you got legs on you back there. Let me see that leg. Okay. Oh, yeah, we in this bitch tonight. I'm that rock. We in this bitch tonight.
Y'all outside tonight?
Yeah, we outside. We trying to go to the strip club out. What's the best strip club?
I'm telling you now, I'm gonna say Centerfold.
Centerfold?
Centerfold and Hot Springs.
All right.
Yeah.
We coming to Centerfold tonight then.
Y'all coming to Centerfold?
Yeah. Yeah, we out here. We in BR, we out here. Yeah, they lucky Scooter ain't here. They lucky Scooter Biden ain't here. They lucky Scooter ain't here. They lucky Scooter ain't here.
I gotta get a visual.
What my nephew Tay? I should have got my... I'm in this bitch, you know what it is.
You already know.
You already know we in this bitch.
Tonight.
We in this bitch. I'm cutting up tonight.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm wearing that orange tonight on a bitch. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, cause Centerfold and we don't close till 5.
Centerfold. They don't close till 5. Centerfold. Ooh, the key is coming now. Oh man, this bitch thug life out here. It's thug life. I'm fucking with that rock. Ooh, I done brought them some service to this bitch. Boy, they done got some service to this. They done got some. Oh yeah, man, this bitch dumb. This bitch dumb. Then they must got a drive-through.
They do on the side, boo.
I see people pulling through the drive-through.
them 3 extended. You gotta come in and get it.
I'm fucking with Little Rock, baby. Little Rock off the chain. They ain't been here in a minute, too. Thank you, they. I thought they ain't have enough money no more to book me.
I don't know the last time we been here.
I know they ain't, they ain't really, they don't really have that bag right out here to book me. It's African book me, I think. You know, them Africans got money. The African nigga booked me, he got money. Africans got money. And he got a car lot. I'm trying to do a drop in front of his car lot. Them little J's on with them little ankle socks. I'm in BR, baby. I'm in BR.
You said the J on the ankle sock. Yeah. You about your business.
I'm in BR, baby. This gonna be dumb. TJ, we gonna have to drop you out. We gonna have to drop you out.
I already know.
What time that flight get in? And this bitch retarded in Little Rock. I'm out of town. I'm out of town, man. Thugging with my round. I'm out of town. Man, I left out there just in time, bro.
That's what.
I left out there just in time.
Hey, baby. Yeah. Got you here, baby. And your order.
There I go.
I got you a large. You got me no tea?
Uh,
Let me get your large.
yeah, I'll take an extra tea. That tea good. Ooh, that tea good. You want me to get a picture with y'all?
Yeah.
Come on.
This our specialty tea.
Let me get a
Put
picture.
this up there for Boosie. Okay. Get y'all some silverware.
I can't make it to the show.
Take it in front of the building.
Oh, yeah.